Cut the tap and open the box. Connector cable, screws, service card. Lift the lid. Insert the screws and tighten them. Place the conveyor belt on the table. Pay attention to the grooves on the bottom edge. Place the conveyor belt onto the working panel. Ensure the screws fit into the grooves and the logo is positioned between the two screws. Insert the connector cable and secure it. Connect the other end to the rotary port on the back of Lumos Ultra. Power on your laser. Place the business cards on the conveyor belt. Place the material within the working panel area, 200 by 200 millimeters. Do not exceed the machine frame boundaries. Place the first material straight and aligned. Proper placement helps the system identify the material shape. Place only 1 or 2 materials in the same engraving area, depending on their size. Keep enough space between materials. Divide the right side of the conveyor belt into equal-sized working areas. Make sure the material is placed within the processing area and leave enough space from the machine frame. Turn the knob unit until the 2 red dots overlap. Open the software and click New Project. Switch to conveyor belt mode. Import a design. Adjust the size and position of the design. Set the engraving parameters. Click Start. Click Confirm. Please read the instructions carefully before proceeding. Click Next Step. Click the Refresh button to take a photo of the materials. If the lighting is too bright, including but not limited to the machine's internal LED lights or surrounding lights, the laser may not be able to identify the material. If identification fails, please turn off the internal LED light and adjust the brightness of the surrounding lights. Then click the Refresh button again to take a new photo. If the lighting is too bright, click the button to adjust the light intensity. Click the Refresh button to take a new photo. Click Next Step. After successful identification, click Next Step. Select the object with the best shape match. Click Next Step. Adjust the size, position, and orientation of the design. Click Start. The system will begin identification. Once identification is successful, the laser will start processing. Once the conveyor moves, place another material in the processing area. Wow, that's amazing. Place the material on the conveyor belt. Note, the maximum processing area is 500 by 200 millimeters. Place one edge of the material in the center of the work area, making sure the red dot is projected onto the material. Open the software and click New Project. Switch to conveyor sliding mode. Click Confirm. Click Refresh. Turn the knob unit until the 2 red dots overlap. Click Confirm. The conveyor belt moves left and right to take photos. Now you can see the board on canvas. Search for the design file. Import the design. Duplicate the design to be engraved. Paste it onto the canvas. Adjust the size and position of the design. Select the design. Set the processing parameters. Click Framing to check whether the processing area needs adjustment. Click Start. Click Send. Press the Start button to begin processing. Congratulations! You have completed a fantastic project.